Good morning, everyone. Today is 14th October, and I'm Shuchi Rumta here presenting the morning market update. The Nifty lost 109 points to close at 17,014 yesterday. Interestingly, the Nifty has managed to have matching lows for the last three consecutive days at 16,950, which will act as a crucial support. Considering the volatility in the markets, let us deep dive in the chart structure. Technically speaking, the daily RSI is below 50 and MACD is in the sell mode and the markets trade below the short-term moving averages. 17,200 to 300 zone is where the averages stand. The index will have to clear the same on a closing basis before any sign of strength in the markets. Also, 17,500 continues to be the ceiling. So once the overhead resistances are taken off convincingly, can we say that we have some meaningful bull strength? I would also like to highlight that last three trading sessions, Nifty has moved in a range of 16,950 to 17,200, where we have seen some significant open interest rise in the futures contract. Yesterday, 17,000 option strike had good OI addition both on call and put strike. Coming to the US economy, first, the inflation jumped more than expected in September, but on a year-on-year basis, it dipped from 8.3% to 8.2%. The major US indices Dow, S&P 500, Nasdaq and Russell all moved 2.5 to 3% on close to close basis and over 5% from the intraday lows, digesting the inflation data. So what is next for US markets? There are signs of positive divergences on the charts, but we need a follow-up buying for the indices to trade above the short-term averages or close past the previous swing high to conclude that a short-term bottom is formed. SGX Nifty trades at 17,196, which is 239 points up, hinting the gap up opening. Bajaj Auto, Oberoi Realty, Tata Elxsi and few others have results today. Levels for the day, support of Nifty will be seen at 16,950 and 16,750. Resistance 17,150 and 17,300. Bank Nifty support will be seen at 38,450 and 38,200. Resistance 39,260 and 39,560. Thank you and have a great trading day.